Yeah, I'm recording. Alright. Got a nice little mystery mortar cylinder for you tonight. Not sure who made it. No markings on it of any sort. But nice and tight inside, and I'm going to give picking it a shot for you. So let's see how I do. This will probably be the last of my picking videos for a little while, since I got laid off a few months ago. And money's kind of tight, unfortunately. But, you know, I got an interview Wednesday, so with a little luck, maybe I will be right back on the horse of buying up locks and giving them a pick. Can hope anyway. This is a 6-pin cylinder, but I got it with only 5 pins in it. If I had a plug follower that actually worked, that was the right size for it anyway, I'd take it apart for you and prove it for you, but yeah, kind of going to have to take my word on it, because I took it apart without a plug follower, and let me tell you, I had a hell of a time trying to get it back together with just a pair of tweezers. And there she is, picked open. I'll post a link to the photo bucket page where I have it all taken apart. Anyway, keep it legal. Don't break the lock. Yeah, and all those other things. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that, but anyway, have a good one.